Hi neighbors, it is I, Jerri-ellen, and today on Cooking with Neighbors, I am putting together another bubble up casserole. So I have my tin of biscuits, okay, there's 10 of them in here. And in here I have opened and plopped in a can of cream of chicken soup, okay? I'm just going to set this aside for a second. So the can of cream of chicken soup, put a cup of French onion dip in this. Put that on in there and mix that together. My oven is preheated to 350. I'm just blending this. I cooked up 2 chicken breasts, 2 large chicken breasts. You want like at least 2 cups of chicken here. You can use canned chicken if you want. So I just cooked up 2 large chicken breasts. This is a bit more than 2 cups. And I roughly chopped it. So I'm gonna put that in. And I'm just gonna coat the chicken. I have cream of chicken soup. Use cream of celery or something if you have it. Okay? Move that out of the way. Open up my biscuits. Set that aside for a second. And I have a 9x13 casserole dish. I'm gonna put down the camera a little bit. And I'm gonna cut these into 6 pieces. I oiled up my casserole dish. I greased her on up. Now, I had some cheese in my refrigerator that I wanted to use up. You use whatever cheese you want. Cheddar, whatever you want. I had some cheddar and Monterey Jack and that little bits that I needed to finish. So I am using 2 cups in total on top. Cheese of choice. Okay. And see these here? See this yumminess right here? I measured out a half a cup. And I'm gonna just not fine crumbs, but just crumble that over the top. You can use more or less, doesn't matter. To you, your discretion. Like I say, my oven is preheated to 350. I'm just going to throw it on in there for 35 minutes, 35 minutes, maybe 40. You want all your biscuits to be cooked. So it's been about 37 minutes. So let's get this out of there. It smells so good in here. I'm telling you. It smells delicious. And it is sizzling right now. Look at that. I'm just going to take a little taste. It's very creamy. There we are, a little bit. Piece of chicken. It smells so good. Money. Winner, winner. French onion chicken dinner. I guarantee. Wait. Not too bad. Let's get started with this recipe. Fast, easy, simple. Something different for Taco Tuesday. Even though it's not Tuesday that I'm posting that. And something that doesn't take like a lot of spices. I used the Laura Love to chop meat, some stewing beef. Jazz this up too much, just keeping it nice and simple but still tasty. We like a lot of pepper. Seasoning, probably like a tablespoon worth. So a tablespoon. A small or medium green bell pepper, and a small red onion that I wanted to get used up. Now, up to you. You can add some jalapeno or whatever you want. You know, some regular onion, no onion, some peppers, no peppers. You can just leave it all beef with the taco seasoning. Butter up a casserole dish now while this is going. And I bought something for the first time instead of grating cheese. I love grating cheese, but look what I got, guys. Look what I got, neighbors. It's the first time. I never bought this before. But I thought, okay. Oh, I picked up a country style biscuits, right? And that's what we're going to use for this. I meant to show you the package, but you guys know what you neighbors know what I mean. And you want these cut up into 6 to 8, just because you want these small throughout the pan.
So 6 to 8 pieces per biscuit. So it bubbles up better that way. I have a recipe up where I quartered them, and it just takes a bit longer for it to bubble up. That's all. Sometimes, but this one is only going to take like about 30 to 40 minutes top. And I had a huge can of enchilada sauce, so I'm going to freeze some of it because I only need 10 ounces. Or around 10. You can put a bit more, a bit less. If you have around 10 ounces, you're okay. So I put it in here. I'm just going to pour that over my biscuits. And I'm going to get a glove because I want to mix them up. Oh my gosh. And I got it. Oh, I did it. And if you want, while you're frying your beef, you can have this step already done and letting it soak in the enchilada sauce, soaking up the flavors. Okay, I'm just making a mess. I should have just used a spoon. And I got an ounce of enchilada sauce on my glove. You can use a spoon, guys. I'll put the beef mixture. That one cooked up. Here we go. I'll be back.
All right. I'm going to give her a try. Oh, I know it's good, but you guys want to see it too. And you can leave it sit. Don't go burning your face off and your mouth off like I'm going to do here. Just give me a shot. Nice. Okay. Let's get a bite of the... Got a little bit of spice to it. I got the enchilada sauce that has a little bit of spice to it. But you can get whatever level of heat you want. Or like. Mmm. This is a winner. And I know Casey's going to enjoy it. I hope that you give it a try as well. Biscuits are done. Nice and fluffy inside. It's hard to tell, isn't it, from the camera? I'll talk with my mouth full. Peace, love, God bless. Keep a good heart. Keep safe. Love you all. and I appreciate each and every one of you. I truly do. I can't believe that anybody even wants to watch me, so I appreciate it. Peace.